Welcome back to Auto Vibes, the channel where raw power meets refined design. Today, we're diving into one of the most outrageous yet practical performance SUVs in the market, the 2026 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat Jailbreak. This isn't just a family hauler. It's a full-blown muscle machine wearing an SUV suit, and Dodge has made sure that the Jailbreak edition pushes performance and personalization to a level that truly lives up to its name. The Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat Jailbreak is the top-tier, no-compromise variant of the Durango lineup. It blends supercharged V8 muscle with the kind of practicality you rarely see in vehicles with over 700 horsepower. Dodge calls it the Jailbreak because they've basically unlocked all customization limits. Owners can tailor everything from interior trim to wheel finishes and stripe packages, ensuring no two SUVs look exactly alike. It's a combination of performance freedom and personal expression, all built around the most powerful three-row SUV on the planet. When it comes to exterior design, the 2026 model continues the aggressive, muscular stance we expect from the Hellcat lineup but with even more presence. The front fascia is dominated by a wide, functional grille and integrated air intakes that feed the beast under the hood while keeping the supercharger cool. LED headlights are slim and predatory, giving the SUV an intimidating glare on the road. A sculpted hood with dual heat extractors not only looks mean but actively aids in engine cooling. Wide fenders, massive 20-inch or optional 22-inch wheels, and available racing stripes add to the performance aura. Around the back, you get a subtle yet sporty spoiler, quad exhaust tips, and a power liftgate for convenience. Every design cue screams performance while maintaining the utility expected from a large SUV. Inside, the Jailbreak edition transforms the Durango cabin into a mix of luxury and race-ready sportiness. Premium Laguna leather seats are available in a range of bold color combinations, from classic black with red stitching to wild custom hues. SRT branding is embroidered into the headrests, while carbon fiber and suede trim options add to the performance vibe. The flat-bottom steering wheel features paddle shifters, and the 10.1-inch Uconnect 5 infotainment system sits at the center, supporting wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a high-performance audio setup. The three-row layout means you can seat up to 6 or 7 passengers, so it's as practical as it is extreme. Now let's talk performance, the heart of what makes this SUV so special. Under the hood lies a supercharged 6.2-liter HEMI Hellcat V8, tuned to deliver a jaw-dropping 710 horsepower and 645 pound-feet of torque. Power is sent through an 8-speed automatic transmission to all 4 wheels, ensuring insane acceleration with maximum grip. The result, a 0 to 60 mph sprint in just 3.4 seconds, which is sports car territory, and a top speed of around 180 miles per hour, making it the fastest and most powerful three-row SUV ever built. Massive Brembo brakes with 6-piston front calipers provide the stopping power needed to tame this beast, while adaptive suspension ensures it can carve corners far better than its size suggests. Key features of the Jailbreak edition go beyond raw power. Dodge offers exclusive paint colors, custom wheel designs, and even unique badge finishes so you can truly make it yours. Performance pages in the infotainment system allow you to monitor horsepower output, G-forces, and launch control settings. Drive modes range from Eco for more relaxed daily driving to Track mode, where the Durango unleashes its full potential. Despite the power, it still retains towing capability, pulling up to 8,700 pounds, meaning you can tow a boat, trailer, or even another car while still smoking most vehicles at the lights. Pricing for the 2026 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat Jailbreak starts around $104,000, but with custom options and packages, it can climb well past $120,000. While that's a premium price, it's hard to find another vehicle that offers this combination of insane horsepower, three-row practicality, high-end features, and near unlimited personalization. The biggest selling point here is that the Durango SRT Hellcat Jailbreak isn't just a performance statement, it's a lifestyle machine. It's for those who want to haul the family and groceries one day and dominate the drag strip the next. It's the ultimate example of Dodge's philosophy of never compromising on performance, even in the most practical of packages. That's a wrap for today's Auto Vibes spotlight on the 2026 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat Jailbreak. If you love the perfect blend of muscle, luxury, and utility, this SUV should be on your dream list. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss another deep dive into the most exciting cars on the planet. Until next time, keep those engines roaring.